Nice.
That notch or bigger knot.
Alright, stop.
Hi, I'm Chief Standing Wolf of the Mendocoi Indians. I'm here to continue my series on the traditional fire-making methods of the famous Mendocoi Indians of New Jersey. One of the traditional sources of tinder is toilet paper. And that's what we'll be using as our bird's nest. For our drill, this is an authentic mullein weed that I got along my walk to Buttermilk Park Falls. Cut. Here we go. This is a classic technique. Good squeaking action.
Starting to smoke a little bit.
Blister's starting to work out. Starting to aggravate.
Starting to smoke. It's big. A lot of smoke. A lot of smoke. Keep it up. A couple more. Fatigue setting in. Ah, shoot.
Oh, you're a hose, man.
Shoot.
You're a hose.
The blow dryer. Bit of eagle nest view. It's gas out for the alarm gets off. Let's go outside. What's the alarm? That's smoking. Come on.
Is it smoking?
Yeah. Alarm's going off.
I don't see any smoke.
I just saw it smoking.
Open the door.
Shoot. Alarm.
Can you get the door for me?
Starting to smoke a little bit. A lot of smoke.
It's over here. Rascal.
Pretty smooth. YouTube only gets 10-minute videos, you better hurry up. Like 9:40. Jeez. Time for more Tinder. Gosh. Catching. Nice. Burst. Looks like it's ready to burst.
I need another fire nest.
We're in the woods. You don't have any more tinder. If you had to, would you cut your hair and use that as tinder?
Oh, yeah. It's gonna die. Yes! Yes! First time, hand drill!
The neighbors are gonna call the police.
Keep going, keep going. This is exciting. And what is the date? It is January 2nd,
January
Friday
2nd.
at 9:45